Good morning, student. Today I will discuss the chapter number system of the exercise 1.3, and that is the first question. Write the following in decimal form and say what kind of decimal expansion each have. The numbers are given in the form of P by Q, and you have to check it. This rational number is terminating number, non-terminating or repeating number. So all the number in the form of P by Q, it means they are the rational number. Okay? So all number are 36 by 100, 1 by 11, 4 at 1 by 8. It is the form of mixed fraction. This can be written as 33 by 8, 3 by 30, 2 by 11 and 329 by 400. All numbers are the rational number. So as you know that in last class I was already explained that there are two type of rational number. One is the terminating rational number and second one is the non-terminating recurring rational number. So you have to choose out of these six number which one is the terminating rational number and which one is the non-terminating and recurring rational number. Okay? So see the first. So now first one. Dear student, 36 by 100. This can be 0.36. Since in denominator 2 digit is there, so we put the decimal after the 2 digit, and this number is a terminating number. Terminating. Okay. Write the following decimal form. So this is the decimal form, and say what kind of the. So decimal form is this, and kind of that number is the terminating number. First one over. Now similarly you can solve the question number second also. 1 by 11. There are two methods to check. One method, either you have to 1 divided by 11 and you have to find this is the terminating or not. And second method, if the denominator having 2, 5 are both, then it is terminating, otherwise not. So here is the 11. The 11 having no factor 2, 5 and both. So it is the non-terminating recurring number. See, without division we can guess it, but when we divide it, 1 divided by 11, put decimal after that, 1 0. Now 1 0, then more 1. 11 9 ja 99, 1. After that, you can 0. Again it is not 0, 0. Again 99. 1, put 0. So same process has done. And so the value of this one is the 0.0 090909 dot dot dot, and this can be written as 0.09 bar, and this is after, that is the non-terminating recurring number. It is the non-terminating recurring number. Okay. Similarly, you can solve other part of that question. See the third question. 4 right 1 by 8. This can be written as 4 into 8 plus 1 by 8. Means 42 plus 1 by 8. It is 33 by 8. Since denominator is 8 and having the factor 2, that's why it is the terminating number. You can check it. 33 divided by 8. How many times? 4 times. 32 carry 1. After that decimal 1 0 is. How many times? 1 time. 8. Again 2. 0. 2 times. 16. 4. 0. It is 5. So this can be written as this can be written as 4.125. So 33 divided by 8, 0 point, it is up 4 times, 32, 1.0, 1 time 8, 2, again 0, 2 times 16, 4 and 5 times. So 43 by 8 can be written as 4.125. This is the terminating. Since remainder is 0, so it is the terminating number. Terminating number. Now similarly you can check it. 3 by 13. Check in 13 there is no factor of 2 and 5. It means it is the non-terminating recurring number. See, fourth part. Fourth part is, that is the 2 by 11. 2 divided by 11. Point decimal. 1 time 9. 0, 8 times. Now 2. Again 0. Again 1 time. It It is 88, again 2, again 0, again 1 again. You will find like this, as we already told, that the factor of denominator having if 2 and 5 are anyone, in that case it is the terminating, otherwise it is non-terminating and recurring. So 2 by 11 can be written as 0.1818 dot means 0.18. Bar is there. It means this is non-terminating recurring number. Similarly, you can find this one. 400 having the 2 and 5 both factor, so it is the terminating number. It is the terminating number. Three two nine 400. This can be written as 329 by 4 into 100. So 4 having the 2 factors and this having the 5, so it is the terminating number. Can you divide it? Firstly 32, 9 divided by 4. 8 times it is 32. 9, 2 times 8, 1 decimal 2 times 8, 2 times 20, 5 times. So this can be written as 329 by 4 into 1 by 100, and the value of this one is the 82.25 divided by 100, so it is 0.8225. This is the terminating. So this one is the solution of the first question. Dear student, you can once again you have to solve out. And what conclude here? Firstly, you have to check the denominator of all the fraction. If denominator have 2 or 5 or both as a factor, then it is terminating. Otherwise, it is non-terminating recurring number. Non-terminating recurring number. Thank you.